Garmin's new Venu smartwatch is the first one to feature an AMOLED display, although other smartwatch manufacturers have been doing this for a while. Up until now, Garmin watches, including the recent Fenix 6, were equipped with the so-called trans-reflective MIP display, meaning a memory and pixel display. MIP displays use less energy than AMOLED displays and are easier to see outdoors, especially in direct sunlight. AMOLED displays, on the other hand, feature brighter colors and higher contrast. This video demonstrates the difference between the two technologies in different lighting conditions. First, we'll see both watches in light shade. The AMOLED display on the left is set at maximum brightness and hence uses a relatively large amount of energy. The MIP display uses environmental light and is thus highly energy efficient. Now both displays are exposed to direct sunlight. The AMOLED display is significantly harder to make out, but it's still pretty good compared to other devices using this technology. If a cloud passes over the sun, the display changes, and the AMOLED display improves significantly. The AMOLED display glows in dark interiors. In this case, the MIP display has to access its background lighting, which increases energy usage. It also has lackluster contrast and dull colors. The new AMOLED display used on the Venu thus has pros and cons, though the first impressions are very positive and it's still usable outdoors. The new Garmin Vivo Active 4 is functionally pretty much identical to the Venu but uses MIP technology like the Fenix 6, so the user can basically choose between two display technologies. For more information, check out www.pocketnavigation.de.